Sweetpeas, and welcome to day 2 of my mini Valentine's Day series, doing super simple nail art with this fun little Salon Perfect trio that they have available for Valentine's Day. They're $3.98 and available only at Walmart, and I think they're really great, and they make a fun little Valentine's gift too. On the packaging, actually, it has like a to and from spot like you would on a Valentine, so I thought that was cute. But here are the shades. This is the exact same trio that we used yesterday. So same color palette, same everything, but we're going to utilize them differently than we did. So first off, we're going to start with the same shade we also started off with yesterday, which was Under the Tuscan Sun. Really great polish, great formula. As I mentioned yesterday, they don't compromise like on the brush at all. Like, it is still perfectly good and easy to use. I was really happy with that because they have a really nice brush actually. Ever since China Glaze and Salon Perfect changed it up, I've really liked it. So there is 2 coats of Under the Tuscan Sun. Great polish. If you could find this like in a full-size bottle too, which I actually do have, I would highly suggest it. It's a really great shade. But then now we're just going to use a medium-sized dotting tool and the red polish called Heartstrings, and we're going to put 3 dots down the middle of my nail, 2 dots on each side of it, or 3 depending on how long your nail is. You can figure that out and do it yourself, but we're going to do them the opposite spot of the ones going down the middle instead of lining them all up, because then in the gaps we're actually going to go in with a gold, which is called that All That's Glitter Is Gold. And I'm going to use a small dotting tool for this bit, and I am going to put a little gold dot in between each of the red dots going downwards. After that is done, you can put on your choice of top coat. I did go with the shiny top coat for this design, and then that is it. Super simple, very easy. If you don't have a dotting tool in hand, you could use a toothpick, you could use a bobby pin, and there are just many options. So this is another really fun, easy manicure that you could do with that Valentine's set from Salon Perfect. And here's the final look. I really like how this one came out. I hope you guys did too. I hope you're enjoying this really quick little mini series so far. It's kind of fun to do simple nail art, and to have like multiple ideas for the same little color palette is really fun. So that is it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 3. Bye!